We will see how easily you can use your mobile as a Wi-Fi router. I will make my Android smartphone a Wi-Fi router and will connect to that Wi-Fi from my laptop. First, turn on mobile data. I have internet available on this phone through mobile data, and I will use that on my laptop. Now go to mobile settings. Here you will see the option of the portable hotspot. Tap on it and activate the portable hotspot. Now tap on Set up portable hotspot. Here you will set the Wi-Fi name and password to connect. I will set the Wi-Fi name as random1. Then enter the password and you are done setting up a Wi-Fi router. If I now search for Wi-Fi from my Mac, I will see random1 listed there. Here it is and click to connect. It will ask for the password and enter the password you set on the portable hotspot. Now I am connected and can use the internet from my laptop. This is a handy technique if you have mobile internet available, but have no access to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.